Today, we will explore the 9 signs your intuition is quietly yet powerfully speaking to you. Ever found yourself gripped by an inexplicable instinct, like a sudden compulsion to reach out to an old friend, or a nagging doubt about a seemingly perfect opportunity? That's the mysterious force of intuition at work. Your soul's language, whispering secrets the rational mind can't grasp. It dwells in a realm beyond cold logic, tapping into a vast, unseen wisdom. Amidst life's noise, those whispers often get lost. But what if you could decipher those messages? When you tune into this ally, you may experience a deeper connection to life's mysteries, a gateway to abundance, and a guide to your true potential. Let's unlock the door to your internal wisdom. The first sign of this guidance is an undeniable ease and flow in your journey. Imagine moving through life where each step, decision, and path unfolds with harmonious ease, as if the universe is conspiring in your favor. This effortless progression where obstacles seem to dissolve and opportunities align just as we need them is a clear indication that we are in sync with our intuitive direction. It's as though your deepest desires and the universe's grand design is in perfect alignment, creating a series of synchronies that guide you forward. Envision your journey through life unfolding with effortless grace, where every decision and path taken aligns serendipitously with your deepest aspirations. This sense of harmony is not mere luck, but a sign of moving in concert with your intuition. Consider the transition to a new career path that feels less like a leap and more like a series of guided steps, where resources and opportunities present themselves at just the right moment. Or the process of relocating, which instead of being fraught with obstacles, smoothly aligns with finding a perfect job and home, almost as if prearranged by some unseen hand. Then there are those moments of spontaneous decision-making that lead you to new experiences or encounters. These aren't random happenstance, but the result of your intuition guiding you towards where you need to be, often before you consciously realize it. Such instances of ease and flow in life are not accidents. They are clear indications of being in tune with your intuitive guidance, affirming that the path you are on is indeed meant for you. The second sign is the repetition of certain symbols, numbers, or ideas that persistently cross your path, whether it's a sequence of numbers that keeps appearing or a recurring animal that seems to follow you, maybe a phrase that echoes in various conversations. These are not mere coincidences. They are intentional signs, meticulously placed breadcrumbs by your intuition to lead you towards a deeper understanding or necessary action. This repetition is a nudge, urging you to pause, reflect, and decipher the underlying message, guiding you closer to your truth and ultimately your intended path. Sign 3 is a profound sense of knowing. Have you ever been struck by a moment of unshakable certainty? A flash where you know with every fiber of your being the truth about a situation or the character of someone new, despite lacking evidence or logical reason. This is the profound sense of knowing, a core facet of our intuitive guiding system. It's like an inner voice that doesn't whisper, but resonates deeply within, offering insights that defy the analytical mind's grasp. This feeling doesn't ask to be explained. It demands to be felt and trusted. It's your intuition speaking in a language older than words, reminding you that not all knowledge comes from the outside in, but from a deep internal wellspring of wisdom. Embracing this sense of knowing connects you more deeply with yourself and the world around you, guiding your steps with an unseen but unfaltering hand. The fourth sign involves an irresistible impulse to act. There are those moments when a sudden, irresistible urge takes hold. A compelling muscle to act that springs not from meticulous planning, but from a deep intuitive pull. It's as if an invisible thread tugs at your soul, directing you toward an action that may not make sense at the moment, but feels utterly essential. Maybe it's the spontaneous decision to book a trip to a place you've never thought of visiting, reaching out to an old friend at just the right moment, or pivoting your career path in a direction that surprises even you. These impulses can seem random or whimsical to an onlooker, yet they stem from a profound source within, guiding us towards something significant, something meant for us. Listening and surrendering to these urges can open doors to experiences and connections that enrich our lives in ways we couldn't have planned for, showcasing the dynamic power of our intuition at work. In the quiet of the night, when the noise of the day fades away, our intuition often speaks to us through the canvas of our dreams. This is the fifth sign. Dreams. These are not mere figments of our imagination, but our dreams laden with meaning, rich with symbols and narratives that hold the key to understand deeper truths about ourselves and our journey. Vivid imagery, recurring themes, or even specific scenarios that played out in the landscape of your sleep are your subconscious mind's way of processing, warning, and guiding you. Perhaps it's a dream that offers a solution to a problem you've been mulling over, or it brings a sense of peace about a decision you're facing. By paying attention to these nocturnal messages, you allow your intuition to communicate with you beyond the constraints of your logical mind, offering insights and guidance that resonates on a profound level. Recognizing and reflecting on these dreams can unlock doors to self-awareness and clarity that our waking thoughts might never have opened. For optimal benefit, consistently record your dreams as soon as you wake up, capturing as much detail as possible to preserve the vividness and nuances of your dream experiences. Reflect on the emotions, symbols, and narratives of your dreams regularly to uncover patterns and insights that can contribute to your personal growth and understanding. Sign 6. Intuition speaks volumes through the physical body. Our bodies, in their intuitive wisdom, offer a myriad of sensations as guidance, each with its potential messages about our paths and the environments we find ourselves in. Imagine feeling an unexpected warmth or flush enveloping you in moments of decision-making, suggesting a deep alignment with your path that you hadn't recognized. Or perhaps you experience a sudden sense of fatigue or energy drain when planning certain activities or meetings, hinting that these engagements might not serve your highest good. Consider the intense stomach knots that arise not from any physical ailment, but signaling deep-rooted anxiety or misalignment with your current decisions. Tingling sensations similar to pins and needles in your hands or feet during pivotal conversations or while pondering life choices could indicate a connection to a higher truth. Then there's the heaviness in the chest that appears without clear cause, serving as a warning or a signal to pause and reflect deeply on the situation at hand. Recognizing and interpreting these signals underscores the importance of tuning into our body's cues, which guide us toward authenticity and purpose with confidence and clarity. Sign 7. Synchronicities. These are those moments that seem to dance with the magic of synchronicity, when coincidences align in such a way that they can only be described as serendipitous whispers from the universe. These instances delight and surprise us, offering playful and affirming nods that we're indeed following our true course. It might be the unexpected encounter with an old friend, moments after they crossed your mind, or stumbling upon a book or article that speaks directly to a dilemma you're facing, providing clarity and comfort. These synchronicities don't just happen. They're the universe's way of tapping us on the shoulder, a reminder to trust the invisible currents that guide your journey. Each magical coincidence is an invitation to surrender more deeply to the flow of life, reassuring us that there's a greater orchestration at play, aligning our steps with the beat of a larger, more harmonious rhythm. Developing a daily meditation practice will increase your awareness of these intuitive messages immensely. Begin focusing solely on your breath for 5 minutes a day and gradually increase your meditation session as your body and mind acclimate to stillness and conscious awareness. The 8th sign, emotions. Within the spectrum of our emotions lies a powerful, often untapped source of intuition. Our feelings, from the peaks of joy to the valleys of unease, act as profound cues echoing the voice of our inner guidance. Consider the unexplained surge of happiness when you embark on a new project that feels just right, or the inexplicable sense of dread that accompanies a decision that seems perfect on paper. These emotional echoes are not random. They are our intuition communicating through the most primal language we know, our feelings. Delving deeper, it becomes clear that these emotional signals are finally tuned to guide us towards our authentic selves. The joy we feel may be a sign of alignment with our true purpose, a confirmation that we are on the right path. Conversely, feelings of discomfort or anxiety might signal misalignments or warn us of overlooked details that could lead to missteps. By paying attention to these emotional echoes, we learn to navigate life's complexities with a more attuned sense of direction. Embracing your emotions as intuitive cues empowers you to make choices that resonate more deeply with your core, guiding you steadily towards your truth. As we journey through life's hills and valleys, guided by intuition's gentle hand, we encounter signs that serve as beacons, illuminating our path with clarity and purpose. Each sign, from the undeniable ease and flow that envelops our decisions to the recurring symbols and meanings that seem to speak directly to our soul, is a thread in the intricate weave of our intuitive guidance. The profound sense of knowing that anchors us, the irresistible impulse to act that propels us forward, and the dreams laden with meaning that guide us by night all resonate with the wisdom of the whisper within. Sign 9, the whisper within. This internal voice, subtly yet unwaveringly, is the undercurrent that connects the dots between the bodily signals alerting us to what feels right or wrong and the synchronicities that dazzle us with their timely relevance. It harmonizes with the emotional echoes, those intuitive cues that tug at our hearts, reminding us of the deeper truths that lie within. The whisper within is the quintessence of intuition, binding together each sign into a cohesive whole, steering us towards our highest good with a soft but short insistence. Recognizing and honoring this whisper is the culmination of tuning into the myriad ways intuition speaks to you, affirming that you are indeed closely connected with the universe and yourself. As we draw this exploration to a close, it becomes evident that the journey of attuning to and trusting the myriad signs of our intuition is not just beneficial, but vital for a life truly aligned with our authentic self and deepest purpose. This alignment, as we've seen, is the key to unlocking a life that is not only fulfilling, but also abundant in every sense. You're invited then to not merely pass through life, but to engage deeply with it, to cultivate a profound connection with your inner wisdom. This is a journey that promises to enrich your existence, offering a compass by which you can navigate the complexities and challenges of your life with grace and confidence. As always, I appreciate you tuning into my frequency today. Please like, share, and subscribe to help my channel grow, and let me know you are enjoying my content. To watch my last video on how chosen ones break the cycle of generational trauma, click here next. Until next time, beloved.